This video will show you how to use the built-in mobile-friendly question option in Qualtrics. So looking at this question, I have a grid, and when we're thinking about mobile respondents, you can already imagine that this is going to be problematic, but you can actually see that this will be problematic by going to Preview Survey. Go to my next screen. Now look here on a computer layout. This looks fine. It's not the best. This is problematic, but overall it's fine. I can work with this. Now if I look over to the right, I get to see what it looks like on a mobile device, and I can already see that two of my categories or response options are chopped off, and so I can imagine that respondents are going to be expected to scroll back and forth in order to read all the response options, as well as the question stems, and respond accordingly. This is not optimal. So if we go back here, look over under all the different question options we have, the first one is mobile friendly. Now by default this will tick on once you select the matrix table option for your question. So I tick that on. If you notice, nothing else changes over here. I go into preview survey again. This all looks the same, but now on a mobile device, what they've done is each of these statements is broken down, and it basically forms a new separate question on its own, and you have to drop down for each one. So as a respondent, if I read this, my office supports my professional development, say I strongly agree with that, choose that, and it automatically progresses to the next one. So this obviously makes it a little more time efficient for respondents to go through and quickly answer all these questions and then move on. They're able to see each of the response options clearly underneath each of the questions before they're able to respond.